So I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys about Rest More. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble falling asleep fast and staying asleep, then you should check out buyrestmore.com. It's all natural, veggie based, and it'll help you have a great night of sleep. And it also helps your mind relax so that you can fall asleep too. So everyone needs this in this medicine cabinet for just those nights where you just can't sleep.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.